This video is about how I made ramp and landing by using old car tires. So I can jump it, I can crawl it, I can break the suspension, and I built it just by using stuff that I found laying around and simple hand tools. So here I'm aligning a ramp and landing perfectly by using two tight threads. After I added first layers of the dirt, I am placing one end of the log into the dirt and the other one is going to be bolted with a battery drill from the inside of the tire. I'm trying to fill up the space with all bulky stuff that I can find, such as bricks and stones. The best moment to work with the soil is probably after a rain, because it is still wet and easy to shape, but not turned completely into mud. Alright, so let's test it to see if I'm going into the right direction.
Get out of the way. So sad.
Since I couldn't do a single proper landing, I decided to pull up the ramp a bit higher before I break something again. The reason why I built this ramp too narrow is because I'm planning to drive my RC car by using first-person view camera, or so-called FPV camera, and I want to learn to drive it extremely precisely. Here I'm trying to jump the upgraded version of the ramp, and I could do a couple of successful landings, but it is still too difficult. So the lesson I learned is that I don't need to increase the angle of the ramp, I just need to increase the speed. So until I extend the speed up section, I will use the track just for a nice crawling.